Cleaning and sanitizing tools and equipment. A cleaning program that is an overall system should be prepared to organize all your cleaning and sanitizing tasks. The program should also help identify your cleaning needs, set up a master cleaning schedule, select the supplies and tools to use, and train yourselves to make the best of your skills. Cleaning is the removal of visible soil, while sanitizing means reducing the number of harmful microorganisms by using very hot water or a chemical sanitizing solution. To be effective, cleaning and sanitizing must be a two-step process. Surfaces must first be cleaned and rinsed before being sanitized. There are many cleaning products or agents and a variety of equipment in the market. Choose the best for your workplace and follow instructions in the label. Here are some points to support your workplace training. 1. Clean in a logical order. 2. Different cleaning tasks require different methods. Getting things wrong can cause damage to surface, harm to yourself, and spread bacteria and dirt. 3. Many cleaning agents are harmful. Their contact with your skin or eyes or breathing in the fumes can cause a serious illness. 4. Mixing one agent with another can be very dangerous. A chemical reaction can be set up, or in some cases produce poisonous fumes. Warewashing. Warewashing is the process of washing and sanitizing dishes, glassware, flatware, and pots and pans either manually or mechanically. Manual warewashing uses a 3-compartment sink and is used primarily for pots and pans. It may be used for dishes and flatware in small operations. Mechanical warewashing requires a dishwashing machine capable of washing, rinsing, and drying dishes, flatware, and glassware. In large operations, heavy-duty pot and pan washing machines have been designed to remove cooked-on food. Manual dishwashing procedure. 1. Scrape and pre-rinse. The purpose of this step is to keep the washwater cleaner longer. 2. Wash. Use warm water at 1100F to 1200F in a good detergent. Scrub well with a brush to remove all traces of leftover and grease. 3. Rinse. Use clean, warm water to rinse off detergent. Change the water frequently, or use running water with an overflow. 4. Sanitize. Place utensils in rack and immerse in hot water at 1700F for 30 seconds. A gas or electric heating element is needed to hold water at this temperature. 5. Drain and air dry. Do not towel dry. This may contaminate utensils. Mechanical dishwashing. The steps in washing dishes by machine are the same as in the manual methods, except that the machine does the washing, rinsing, and sanitizing. Procedure. 1. Scrape and pre-rinse. 2. Rack dishes so that the dishwasher spray will strike all surfaces. 3. Run machine for a full cycle. 4. Set the sanitizing temperatures at 180F for machine that sanitizes by heat and at 1400F for machine that sanitizes by chemical disinfectant. 5. Air dry and inspect dishes. Do not touch food contact surfaces.